Alright, it's been a little bit, but I had to get a few things. Now that I got it all situated, it's pretty good. So, I'm holding off on that Cordoba project for right now, for a couple of reasons. But right now we're focusing on the K5 that's in the background. I don't know if you can see it, let's see it. Nah, you can see the car, my Saab. Yeah, you can't see it, but it's right there. So either way, I've been working on getting a lot of this stuff put together. Ordered a new welder. Welder came in early. Ordered my parts off the truck, for my truck, and that just came in today actually. So pretty stoked on that note. I got all the parts sitting here. Check it out. Let's look at it. Look at it. I got my floor. Some cab support, rear cab supports, inner rocker panel, outer rocker panel, and then these are going to be key because where the snow and rust or the snow and all the dirt come in, it hits the back of my floor pan for the rear seats, and literally they're gone on my truck, completely gone. So that's going to save that after I fix it. But then check this out. Boom. $200 later. Thank you for shopping. But we also got a brand new welder. Call Guinness. So I'm going to unbox this right now. Check her out. Set her up. Get her all ready to go. But for today I am going to try and get most of that thing prepped and ready to do a little bit of work tomorrow. Obviously, you guys can see, it's dark, real dark, and I don't like working at night. Like, all my lights, especially being colder out, it's gonna die quick. So my goal is to get most of the interior ready and prepped for tomorrow so I can come out with the angle grinder. Oh, also take off that fender. That's gonna suck. I'm trying to leave the hood on and the door on so I can still lock it and stuff, because you know, don't want mice in there. And that thing had a bunch of mices living in there. I swear, it was bad. It was real bad. You'll see when I actually go to start taking that apart. You'll see that all the, like, they took all my insulation. We're using it for nesting and everything. It was bad. Just, yeah, it was bad. Not fun to clean. So I'm gonna get into it, get this stuff cleaned up, organize a lot of this, get this taken out and set up, and we'll go from there. You'll see back once I start wrenching. Yeah. Alright, let's see what we're working with. Oh, so I want to take this trim piece off, take this seat out. I think I'm gonna take the seat out first, and then I want to get to this side panel. This side panel has to come off. So I think I'm gonna start there. Well, yeah, we'll start the seat first, so then I have room to work with. Check this out. This is pretty nasty. I took the seat off, and yeah, look at that. Let's get in there. Yeah, it's been in there for a while. I can't wait to replace this carpet. It'll be a lot better once I get the new carpet here. But you fix the problems at hand first, and then we'll worry about the interior. Because I want to drive this while still working on it. So that's where I'm at right now. I want to keep driving it. So in about 10 days, I'm doing the transmission again. But at least this is the time that I can knock that fender off. And when I knock that fender off, I can do my rocker panel. So, big brain moves. I didn't think it was going to happen like this. I got my welder, I got my parts, all of it came at once. Thanksgiving, got a, what was it, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, 4-day weekend, but I'm also going deer hunting again on Saturday and Sunday. I did bag a deer. I did bag me a doe. So I'm pretty stoked on that. You know, yeah, Milwaukee, that's what I'm talking about. Keep you warm in these freaking cold nights. So I hate when you know you're right and you decide not to bring a certain tool, especially when you know, I got everything I need. Oh, but I could always grab this just in case. And that was like this moment. That was that just in case moment. I knew better. I was thinking, oh, I don't need my Torx. No, you do need your Torx, because sometimes, lo and behold, I don't care what year it is, they put a Torx on there for the frickin' the seatbelt. Yeah, you see that? Torx. So I ended up back her out. I ended up looking in the basement. Hey, there you go. Hey, I ended up looking in the basement and ended up finding these little gems. Oh, so I almost had to end the night just because I thought about grabbing my Torx and I didn't. I knew better. I literally knew better, and I hate that. Whatever. I'm gonna carry on. I'm gonna get this thing off. Oh yeah, look at this. I was like, well, I can't get this off. So I decided to just break it off. That was right there. Look at that. Here, just put this in perspective. Let me put my hand through. Yeah. This is the ground. Look, you see my arm, dude. Yeah, that's how bad that was. This corner's the worst. That corner's the worst. That corner's the worst. And that corner's the worst. And like the sad thing about it is, that's why I'm doing the passenger side first, since everybody hops up in here. It's just not safe. I want my woman, you know, my wife to hop up in here easily, not risk hitting the rocker panel. I want to be able to put weight on here for when I put my son into the back seat. So it's just little things. So I figured I'd do the passenger side first, since the driver's side really ain't that bad. It's not. But that freaking wheel well, where it sits in that wheel well, it's terrible. Terrible, I'll say. Terrible. So I guess I could put you up here while I take that back panel off. I guess it wouldn't hurt. You get to see me struggle in the back there. Yeah. Sound like a plan? Well, who cares? You guys don't care anyways. You're sitting at home. Yeah, that's one piece down. I gotta label some of this hardware again. I've been doing that as I go, to be honest. It's been making it very nice. Because I am gonna replace some of these screws, but dang. Dang. Like, that quarter wasn't even that bad either. It just sucks that I gotta redo it. Like, someone did restore this truck prior to me owning it, but I guess they let it go to poop. They went to go to poo poo. And I said, oh no, let me buy that. Let me buy, and I fix. I fix very nice. Give me your tears, Gypsy. Fudge. What are these? Panel screws. Jeez. Had a brain fart. Star moment. Don't worry about it. I'll have a beer. Well, since the battery's dying, I'll probably, you know what, let's do a little sneak peek before the battery dies. So I got that. I have to take care of. See, look at that. It looks like done up metal. See, it's not that bad. And then all of a sudden you get... See, it's all good. It's literally just from where that speaker wire is out. Like, what the hell? Like, why would you let it get that bad, bud? Whatever. I got this. I'm going to end it off for tonight. That's enough for you guys. I'm gonna cut this carpet out, get this carpet all cut out, and then tomorrow it'll be Thanksgiving. Later, guys. He gone.